Hello, everyone. This is Professor Chirantan Chatterjee, who will be the program chair for the course Healthcare Management in Post-COVID India. This course essentially is going to be an online course from 21st November to 2nd January. We will do our sessions over the weekends. And the hope is that given what we have seen with COVID in the last 7 months in India, we will be able to bring to the class an interdisciplinary combination of offerings that straddle across strategy, business models, entrepreneurship, health economics, big data and analytics for healthcare, the role of statistics in healthcare, the role of operations management in healthcare, etc. I'll be joined in the course and in the teaching of the course with my colleagues from statistics, Professor Tathagata Bandyopadhyay, also by my fellow economist colleague, Professor Tarun Jain, who will be teaching on health economics, Professor Anindya Chakraborty, who will be teaching on big data and network sciences in the discussion on healthcare analytics, and Professor Debjit Roy, who would talk about operations management principles in the context of healthcare. And I would specifically discuss issues around strategy, business model, and on innovation and entrepreneurship in the context of healthcare markets in India. Um, Essentially, the course is aimed at senior executive professionals who are directly or indirectly involved in the healthcare ecosystem in India. This could be a gamut of professionals at the CXO level, venture capitalists and PE looking at PE professionals looking at Indian healthcare, clinicians and market participants and managers working with healthcare firms, health tech firms, hospitals, pharmaceutical firms, diagnostics and devices. We are expecting a level of seniority to appreciate the class case discussions and simulations and flipped classroom discussions that we will use to engage for the course pedagogy. We will try to bring in newer issues that have emerged with Indian healthcare in the last 6 months. We know that there was a discussion on inadequate expenditure of public healthcare on public healthcare ecosystem in the country. We know that despite that, there has been entrepreneurship that has happened with business model innovations from interesting unispeciality and multi-speciality hospital systems. We also know that regulation and price controls has impacted this tussle between access and innovation, both in the context of medical devices as well as pharmaceuticals in the country. And at the same time, we have discussed innovative public sector models like Mohalla clinics in solving the issue of affordability and access in healthcare. Recent trends suggest that there has been interesting business model pivots that have happened with telemedicine. There has been discussions on how new entrepreneurship coming, especially from the public-private ecosystem of R&D upstream, that has resulted in this CRISPR-based tests for COVID-19, etc. So we'll try to fold all of those interesting new things that have happened in the last 6 months in the context of enhancing competitive advantage of organizations in healthcare markets, but more broadly speaking, enhancing social welfare and improving health outcome with a focus on patient centricity and with a focus on removing the trust deficit that has been actually a problem with Indian healthcare in the last few years. We expect to have a few guest sessions in the courses. In the course, we expect to use some video simulations and video cases along with our own IIM Ahmedabad and Harvard cases. And we are expecting like instructor specific evaluations to happen as well. Please feel free to reach out to us, and you can take a look at my website and my research and my colleagues' research that is given on the brochure for the program. And we hope to engage with you and make the discussion meaningful and impactful so that you can take it back to your organizations and your work settings to at least change the normal for this course. We are also looking at engaging with participants from outside India, whether it's in peer economies like Indonesia, Brazil, Thailand, who have gone through their own challenges in dealing with both the supply side shock as well as the demand side shock in their own healthcare context that would resonate with a lot of the efficiency and inefficiencies and frictions that have risen with healthcare in India. So hopefully between you and us, we would have an engaging conversation that will be managerially relevant and improve the way you participate with your organizations and take forward Indian healthcare. Wish you my very best, and we look forward to engaging with you during the class. Thank you very much.